Welcome. I'm so glad we're connecting across time and space. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use storytelling to heal your past and create a better future. And before I dive into this next chapter, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel. There's a little icon on the corner there, and just subscribe to it. And yeah, there it is. Thanks. So let's talk about how to use storytelling to heal your past and create a better future. As humans, we all have stories to tell. Our stories can be joyful, inspiring, and uplifting, but they can also be painful and traumatic and difficult to share. But either way, we have to share our stories because that helps us connect with each other. And by embracing the power of storytelling, we can learn to heal our past and create a better future. So in this video, we'll explore some strategies. Let's dive in. The first step is to explore your story. So in this case, journaling is a really amazing tool that can help you explore your own story. And it's a safe space for you to just pour out your thoughts and feelings and memories and experiences. So take some time, take a few weeks or months to really dive into your story and to really reflect on your experiences, both positive and negative. And identify the moments that have shaped who you are today. So in your journal, ask yourself questions like, what experiences have had the most significant impact on my life? And ask yourself, what have been the most challenging moments of my life? And how did I overcome them? And another question for your journal would be, what have been the most joyful moments in my life? And what did I learn from them? That can open up so much for you. And as you explore your own stories, I encourage you to be honest and vulnerable. This is just between you and you. This is just a place for you to just express yourself, and without judgment or without editing, just let it pour out onto the page. The goal is not to create a polished narrative, but to uncover a raw, messy, and sometimes painful truths that have shaped your life. You'll learn a lot about yourself and build self-awareness, which is part of healing for sure. The next step is to rewrite your story. And I invite you to take what you've written in your journal and put it onto your computer and type it in so that you can work with it and edit it and move things around and change the words and make it more fluid. So while journaling may be freehand, writing with a pen and paper, when you have the words typed on a page, then you can start playing with them and you can start moving things around and cleaning it up and reframing it so that you can make the ideas stronger. This means reframing your experiences in a way that empowers you and helps you create a better future. Look for the lessons and insights that you've written into your journal and see if you can glean any wisdom from your experiences and use those lessons to create a new narrative. For example, if you have experienced trauma, you may be stuck in a story of victimhood and helplessness. So now's your chance to rewrite that story and climb out of that. You can reframe your story by focusing on the resilience and strength you have demonstrated in overcoming your trauma. By shifting your focus to your strengths, you can create a new narrative that empowers you and helps you create a better future. This is your work now. So if you have had trauma in your past, and I dare say most of us have, now's your time to take that experience and transform it into a gift. I know that sounds really difficult, but it is possible. And the next step, after exploring your story and rewriting your story, I invite you to share your story. The final step is difficult in some ways, but liberating in others. And sharing your story means finding a safe and supportive space to share your experiences and insights with others. So you may have come up with an insight that you wouldn't have seen otherwise when you were writing in your journal, and then looking at your story as you were rewriting and reframing it. And now you can share this wisdom with others. Look for opportunities to share your stories, like with a trusted friend or a support group or a wider audience or a coach or counselor, somewhere where the story is released from you. By sharing your stories, you may have a catharsis and healing, and also inspire others who may be going through similar experiences. You can become the hero of your own stories and use your experiences to create a brighter future for yourself and others. In conclusion, storytelling is a powerful tool for healing and transformation. By exploring, rewriting, and sharing your stories, you can learn to heal your past and create a better future. I'm so happy to share this idea with you. My name is Maria, and I'm a storytelling coach, author, videographer, crystal mapper, and retreat leader. I coach spiritual storytellers to heal their past or create a better future using the magic of storytelling. As a storytelling coach, my role is to guide you and support you on this journey, helping you uncover your stories and find the courage to share them with the world. If you want to dive deeper into my work, check out my novel, Closer to Indigo, and watch my video series, Saanich Emerging Land, Emerging People. I also have a free ebook that you can download when you go to my website, AmeliteWellnessCoaching.com. They're all linked below, and if you feel inspired to tell your own story and you'd like some help with that, feel free to book a call with me. Also, I'd love to read your comments on this topic. Thanks so much for being here with me. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.